Do hard work in a smart way. Do hard. For 1 mark question, how much you have to time spend? For 2 mark, how much you have to spend? 3 mark, how much you have to write? What you guys have to do it, you have to hold this balloon, lock your hand backside. One balloon you have to pour it here, next balloon will be your tummy. Guys, please clap for all the students, man. Here, many of your questions are little twisted. Simple answers. They are going to twist in such a way that I said it was so simple. You cannot use your own hand, Andre. You can use the other's hand. Simple. And this team got it. No hard work is required. Hey guys, always remember, if you want to score, we don't want you to be just a hard worker. Hard work. It's an incomplete sentence. Do hard work in a smart way. Do hard. For 1 mark question, how much you have to time spend? For 2 mark, how much you have to spend? 3 mark, how much you have to write? For 1 mark, you have written complete page, half page, then what's the use of that? So you should be a smart person. Okay? So here, the task was so simple that with the help of the friends, you cannot use your own hand, means you can use others' hand.